Alright guys, welcome back to Rattler Farmstead. The hunting blind is, I'd say, probably 90% done, but I want to get it up here and get it in the woods before I do much on the inside to check and see how I want it laid out. But I'm going to pull it up there with the TYM 574. Give it a little look at her. I don't think it looks too bad for a hunting stand. I'm still debating on putting the window on this side. Let's take a look on the inside over here. There's my steps. Got my heater over there. Bought some screws and stuff, just in case it falls apart going over there. Nah, it should be okay. But we'll get it up here and there she's holding together. Yeah, I really can't wait. Get in there and yeah, I feel as I've never had a stand, enclosed stand, on tree stand, ground blind. But it'll be nice to have something where you got the Jeep, get inside of it, stay warm. And I like to stay in my stand all day. That's gonna make it a big plus. But got a little bit further to go up here to get it where I'm gonna hopefully be able to set it up. Then I'll show you guys after I get it set up. All right, we made it down here to where I wanted to put it at. But I don't think that spot's gonna work. So, can't find another spot here. But I don't want to mess up too bad because the deer, they will come all through here. I wanted to put it over there, up in that hole right there. I don't know, I still might stick it in there and then I'll just have to adjust it and stuff later. But we'll see. All right, let me get it up there. Got tearing it up. All right, guys, got it set up. Hey, I know Lock had to get a daggone pallet. And I don't know if you guys, but these military trailers, they're cool, man, because you got these back legs, you unscrew it, screw it down that way you don't tilt. And that front legs, front landing gear, you screw this down to screw the bottom part on down. They're definitely nice trailers. I think 150 bucks at auction quite a few years ago, and I used to have a Humvee. I got the no window side on this side with all this thick stuff. I got Got a food plot stuff over here. Got the pond right down there. I've been getting a lot of them in them pines. I got my game cameras over there and getting a lot of movement and stuff. So I think this would be a good spot. Kind of blends in. What do you think? Ain't too bad. All right, I'm gonna go back down and drop the tractor off, get my hunting equipment. Then we'll come back up here and sit in it for a couple hours. And I'll bring you guys back with me. Yeah, I got my stand set up over here, and I got a big cloud of shit here to block out my view. So I'm gonna do a little clearing here before I come back hunting. Big old cedar tree. Oh, Ruff, okay. That'd be good enough. All right, so we'll get down and get my hunting stuff. All right, guys. Got all my stuff. I headed back down to the blind. We'll sit in it for a couple hours and see how it look. Can't even hardly see it. I almost walked right over top of it. But we'll get in there and see how it feels, see if it's anything major need to change on it. I don't think so. I didn't really do much on the inside because I didn't want to do something and then regret it. So let's get up in this thing and I'll show you how it is. Let me see. Put some stuff down. Get my steps out. All right, I'm going in the house. Yeah, I know I'm gonna move this propane tank outside. Oh yeah. Feel it warmer already. Definitely get me some carpet. Put up in here. Oh yeah, it's nice. Good view over there, food plot. Got the heat going on.
Oh man, can't be hunting without an oatmeal cake. And some crackers. Alright, that's gonna wrap it up for this one. Guys, I don't really know what I need to do to, I got a lot of people viewing my channel, my videos, and I really appreciate it. But I don't know what I need to do to get it to where I can get more people to just hit the subscribe and like button. Could that really help my channel grow? And I would really appreciate it. But let's get this pretty much, I might do another video on when I do the inside of it, the carpet and stuff like that. But I like the rustic, the rustic look, kind of like a cabin in the woods. That's what I was, my whole thing I was going for. And then I'm on with that, I'm going to build a barn. So I got to get the saw and the lumber, stuff for that. But I appreciate it. Appreciate you guys watching. And like always, better start small than not start at all.